Hello, this is Congressman Hal Rogers of Kentucky's 5th Congressional District. This year, the United States Army celebrates 237 years of defending freedom, protecting our sovereignty, and standing up to tyranny around the world. The Army is older than our Republic, having successfully led our military campaigns from the early days of General George Washington to today's critical fight against terrorism in Afghanistan and throughout the world. You have a rich history. I'm especially proud of the 19,000 Kentuckians in Army and National Guard uniforms, as well as the fine men and women serving at Fort Campbell, Fort Knox, Bluegrass Army Depot, and at various Kentucky National Guard outposts. You have served our country and our Commonwealth with distinction and honor, and we're forever grateful for your service. As we celebrate this 237th anniversary, I wish you and your families well, and thank you for putting these United States first. Happy birthday, Army.